Welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is translate a document. Many of our employees and contractors may speak or read in another language other than English. For this reason, it is important to be able to translate our documents into other languages. Google Docs can handle this task with the use of the Translate Document option in the Tools tab. This option allows you to translate a document into most all the known languages. Let's look at how to use the Translate Document option in Google Docs. Open Google Chrome. Click the waffle to the left of your profile picture, then click Docs. Either create a new blank document or open an existing document. Click on the Tools tab. Then click Translate Document. In the Translate Document pop-up, click in the New Document Title box and title your translated document. Click the Choose Language drop-down and select the language that you want to translate the document to. In this demonstration, I will use Spanish. Click the Translate button at the bottom right of the Translate Document pop-up. You will notice that the document has been translated into Spanish. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.